Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Hermes agent to Telegram quickly and easily. So before starting, make sure you have your Telegram bot token and personal Telegram user ID ready. Keep these details private and never share them publicly. So first, open the Hermes app and then go to settings, and from there tap tools and keys. And this section is where you can enter the details needed for Telegram connection. Next, find the gateway proxy field and paste your Telegram HTTP API token. And also make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters. After that, leave the gateway proxy URL empty unless Hermes asks you to use the default Telegram API URL. Then find the gateway allow all users field and enter your numeric Telegram user ID. So this helps limit access so only your Telegram account can communicate with the bot. And once everything is entered correctly, scroll down and click Save Changes. After saving, return to the Gateway tab and select Save and Reconnect. So this refreshes Hermes and applies the new connection details. And finally, open Telegram and send a message to your bot. If it does not respond, check your token and user ID for any mistakes. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.